Yes. We have 4 of our venerable monks and 2 of our venerable nuns. Okay. Once you receive it, yes. Bow. There you go. Exits over to Miss Anasan.
Yeah, good job, guys. You guys were amazing. You guys were so good.
We have the first 6. No, we got yes. This is a gift for your hard work today. What you educated all of us here about mindfulness, about joy, kindness, peace, and also what you will be taking home with you today, what you learned from your teacher today. Thank you so much.
Great job, guys.
Beautiful. Another round of applause for them, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Namo Buddhaya, pay respect Mahasangha and Bhikkhuni. Hello everyone.
Hello.
I hope today is a peaceful day for everyone to join us, and I am so happy to see every people to come in my temple, and thank you for organizer Adanta Buddhism to have the good activity in our temple. For my story, I was born in Savanakhet, Laos, Southeast Asia, between Vietnam and Thailand, a small country, in small village. I become a novice when 2000, when I was 9. It's small monk. Then I stay in Laos about four years. Then I across the Mekong River to study in Thailand when I was 14. I study Bali. Bali is mean language to write the Buddha teaching, like Namo Tassa Bhagavato. Then I study in Thailand about 9 years. The Bali language we have 9 levels, but I only finished the 8th level in Thailand. Then I come back to my country 1 year, and I have opportunity to come to the USA. And this Wat Buddha country is my first temple. I live here, and last year, about 3 years ago, I visit my friend in Dallas, and he took me to the Heung Dao Temple. I don't know about Heung Dao Temple before, and I visit Heung Dao Temple, and Bhante Panyakara with me. First time I met him, and Luang Por Ratanakunna, the airport of Heung Dao Vipassana Center, and he showed me about his project, Dhamma Jetiya. Dhamma Jetiya is means stupa, stupa, create from the stone, real stone from from Italy. I'm not sure, maybe India. But it's a very big project. He want to create the project 840 stupa. It's very big, but he don't have any money. He just think about. He showed me in the project. He told me, I want to build this stupa. If my life cannot finish in this life, maybe next born I will come to finish this. He say, wow, I very surprised and very happy to meet him. And I told him, you are is a Bodhisattva heart, your big heart. Yeah. And after that, I have opportunity to help him to translate from Thai to Lao language about his project. And then I have to opportunity to join the Tipitaka chanting last year about May. After that, he asked me to join Walk for Peace. And I never walked before. Yeah, never walked before. But in my mind, when I was in Thailand, I think about I want to join Walk for Peace. I want to train my body, my mind. But I don't have time, only study and practice meditation. Yeah. I just answer him. He invited me to join. But the first time when October 26 October, I don't have to start with them from forward. I just join the Walk for Peace. November 11, I joined Walk for Peace and I walk 9 days. 9 days. And we out of the Houston in Dayton and I got hit by a car in the evening about 6 to 7. Yeah. Then I cannot walk with them again. I lay down on the ground and I have, but I'm lucky I practice mindfulness many years. Yeah. And when I walk, I practice every step, knowing about my step. The Bhante Ratanapuna told Jesse, you know Jesse? Yes, told him, when you walk, your feet walking, body moving, mind knowing. He said, wow, very good teacher. He told the Jesse. And I walk every day. I very painful, very hot, very cold, everything. But we don't give up. And until the accident happened, then I asked every month to continue to walking because I don't want to everyone stop because of me. I asked them, please walk to Washington D.C. and every month is every month nobody give up. Everyone is want to walk, continue to walk, and I'm very happy to meet them in our temple on New Year Day, and I'm very happy to meet them in DC, and I very happy and very proud to every month. They are a true hero. I in my mind, everybody think you are to very inspire me. I just say I'm not do nothing. I do nothing. For me, I think I like a soldier who lost the limb in the war, but every month like a general who win the war. Yeah. I'm very happy to be part of Walk for Peace and to be part of the Mahasangha. I'm very happy to see everyone to come here today. I hope today maybe we can have the opportunity to meet again. Okay, Satu.
So now, for all those that's here, learned a little bit how Prajaan Mahadam got involved with Walk for Peace, with this very special invitation when we first met in Dallas at Heungdao Temple by our lead monk for Walk for Peace, Pante Panagara, and we, as his supporter here at Wat La Puttha Khamti, received that blessings along with him and the honor and privilege to assist him every step of the way since the day of the accident. And like he's mentioned here, we are all very special to be in all their presence. So ก่อนอื่นก็ขอบใจพระมหาอาจารย์ได้ให้คำอวยพรคำแนะนำทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างให้ทุกๆคนที่ได้มาร่วมในนี้แล้วคนใดก็ขอกราบขอบใจพระอาจารย์คนนั้น So next we have all our monastics will be answering you